instead of redoing it or covering it up, is just to simply incorporate it into a much larger piece. That, of course, depends on the existing work that's already on your skin. Your artist may or may not want to incorporate it, depending on the quality, how bad it is. Because if you think about it, like if I'm going to do a huge back piece, and it's amazing and crisp and sharp and vibrant and saturated and all these great words, if it's all these things and then you've got some ugly little tattoos thrown in with one big painting looking tattoo, then they're going to stand out more than the rest, because it'll be like, which one of these things doesn't match, you know? So with incorporating, expanding, redoing, or covering up, I say trust your artist's judgment. Your artist, assuming that you find the right artist, is going to totally sit down with you and work with you on it. And a lot of times, I'll have like an existing piece in the way of a sleeve I'm doing or something, and I'll wait till we're almost there to decide, too, because I want to see all the new stuff right next to the old stuff and see if we can salvage it. And if not, then we'll just step right over it and no one will even know it was there. But if it works, then we'll just kind of tattoo around it and then touch up whatever was there to make it all look brand new and pristine again.